Welcome back to another episode of Fun Science with Santosh. For in every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Yes, guys, your thinking is right. This is the third law of motion, Newton's third law of motion. On this principle, today we are going to launch a simplest water rocket. For that, we need water bottle, rocket launcher, and a bicycle pump. Guys, let's go outside and launch the water rocket. Launching the water rocket, that was really cool. Don't forget to fill the water bottle with 1/3 of water. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.